Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've had quite a bit of cloudiness in here this morning at the low levels. That will eventually begin to erode as we go over the course of the next hour or so. But we will see mostly cloudy skies throughout most of the day today, and we will see warmer temperatures than what we've seen over the last couple of days, with those high temperatures warming into the 80s today. Yesterday across the region, everybody in the 70s for daytime highs. 79 degrees, the warmest reading we could find of all of our reporting stations in the region at Washington, D.C. 72 degrees, the daytime high here at Wallops. Overnight last night, temperatures falling into the 60s for most locations. We made it to a low of 68 degrees here at Wallops, 64 degrees in Salisbury, 69 degrees over in the Tidewater region at the Langley Air Force Base, Newport News, and at Norfolk. Over the last 24 hours, we're seeing some precipitation over the region, and that was in association with that warm front that moved north over the area last night, putting off a little bit of light rain activity here in the Wallops region after midnight last night, picking up just shy of 1/10 of an inch. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the low 70s, 73 degrees under cloudy skies here at Wallops. Looking at the information from this morning's balloon release, the freezing level was at 11,340 feet, and our winds generally out of a west to a southwest direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see a westerly wind at 29 knots. Looking at our infrared satellite this morning, you can see a lot of cloudiness streaming over the region. Most of that is going to be streaming off to the north as we go through the next several hours, but we will see plenty of mid and high level cloudiness still over the Wallops region as we go through the afternoon today, but could see a little bit of sunshine peeking through those mid and high level clouds as we go into the afternoon hours. Looking at our radar this morning, nothing really to be concerned with for today, as most of the activity is well off to our north. And then as we look at our current surface analysis, you can see where that warm front has set up over the region. We're in the warm sector now, with those southerly winds expected to increase as we go through the day today, and that'll bring in some warmer temperatures for us for today and for tomorrow as well. Looking at the forecast maps and what we can expect over the next couple of days, you can see that warm front well north of our region by later this evening. A weak disturbance in the upper levels will be moving through the region later tonight, which could spark a few light rain showers as we go into the evening hours, but not expecting a lot of rain shower activity out of that, and probabilities for those rain showers to occur look to be less than 20% later this evening when that disturbance moves through. Looking at the forecast map for overnight tonight, precipitation chances should come to an end by midnight. So after midnight, we'll start to see some clearing in our cloudiness, and we'll start to see a dry frontal boundary drop through the region as well, which will change our wind direction to a northwesterly direction by tomorrow morning, and will bring in a less humid air mass to our region during the day on Thursday. So even though we'll see temperatures probably a degree or two warmer on Thursday than what we do today, it will be more comfortable out there with those low humidity levels coming into the region during the afternoon. You can see by Thursday morning that frontal boundary south of our region, we'll see high pressure really building in strong into our area during the end of the work week, and that's going to provide us with some gorgeous weather as we go into the end of the work week and into the weekend as well, seeing dry conditions and plenty of sunshine out there with those warm temperatures generally running in the 80s for daytime highs. Friday evening, you can see that high pressure pretty much right over the Wallops region at that point. We're going to see a gorgeous day on Friday with probably our nicest day out of the next 7. Temperatures right around 80 degrees, and we'll see low humidity values as well with those comfortable temperatures right around 80. So taking a look at our 24-hour forecast here, we're going to see a humid and warm day today under mostly cloudy skies. Those temperatures warming to around 83 degrees in the afternoon today. Then we'll see the mostly cloudy skies continuing into the evening. Again, that slight chance of a shower or two during the evening hours before midnight. It does look like those chances only about 20% for rain shower activity, and not a very high percentage chance at all of any kind of lightning being associated with those showers as they move through later this evening. Overnight tonight, expecting those mostly cloudy skies to become partly cloudy, and then mostly sunny skies as we wake up tomorrow morning on Thursday, looking at temperatures in the low to mid 70s and those winds starting to increase out of the northwest. Looking at our forecast for Thursday, expecting mostly sunny and warm conditions with a high of 85. Thursday night, we'll see a cooler evening in store for us with those lower humidity values, allowing temperatures to drop into the low to mid 60s, expecting an overnight low of 64. And then for Friday, mostly sunny and pleasant conditions with a daytime high of 81 degrees. So for the next 7 days, again, temperatures are going to be very comfortable for the end of the week. As we get into the weekend, we'll see warmer temperatures and a little bit more of a warm, humid air mass begin to work its way into the region for Saturday and Sunday. But it does look like very nice weather for your Father's Day weekend. Also, at Ocean City Air Show expected this weekend to see very good conditions with highs in the mid 80s and very limited chances for any kind of shower activity at all in the area. Expecting dry conditions through the weekend and into the beginning of next week. We'll see very warm temperatures arriving for Monday and Tuesday, with those high temperatures expected in the low 90s. And it does look like we'll see our chances of shower and thunderstorm activity pick up once again by late in the day on Tuesday, as we'll enter the chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.